Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your device's keyboard. First of all, access Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Then tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, just click on Theme section, scroll down and click on the best one for you. You can even select Show More to see all available ones. Now tap on this switcher next to keyboarders to manage them. When you are finished, click on Apply. And when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it though, just access the same settings. But this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click on Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage keyboarders and hit Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!